Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Winees Indoor Security Cam. It's a baby monitor, a Wi-Fi smart home. Of course you can track not only your baby, you can track your pets, for example. Your camels, your dogs, your cats, whatever you like. It's a camera with app control, 1080p Resolution HD with motion detection, two-way audio, night vision, multi-installation cam for pets, babies, works with Alexa. The Winees M219 mini indoor security camera allows us to follow our baby room or pet at any time in any place with 1080p resolution. We don't have to always feel worry when our baby is not in sight anymore. The baby camera monitor focuses on human motion detection and pet detection. When the camera detects our baby or the pet, the actions will be automatically transmitted to our phone as a 15-second video. And with a two-way audio, that means always we can talk through the camera or issue a warning through the camera. This home security camera have the following installation methods: a table stand installation method, and of course a wall mount installation method with screw or 3M adhesive tape. The original creative magnetic design, free to adjust the angle to aim at the monitoring area we want. More practical and flexible, that is. And we can choose a secure cloud service that's free for 6 months. Or we can use a micro SD card for storage, 64 GB maximum. That's not included. To save the videos, we can set the full-time recording or event recording as we like. And for use, we can get the LinkedIn or the Idot app from the app stores, Google Home, or directly scan through the QR code. That's really cool because it's so easy to attach. This is the Winees Smart Security Cam Mini. We support our family and we protect the home with that. This is the Winees Indoor Security Camera. We would really like to create a safe, happy and smart home for us. We let it be the witness for wonderful moments out there. And we have human and pet motion detection. And it's really easy, as you can see, to install. We switch on the Winees Cam. Then we have to pair it by using the app. For example, here you can see the AiDot. And then we have to pair this system with our 2.4 Wi-Fi network. And then we can connect it each other, and then we can control it via the app. Of course, Alexa is possible too. And then we can choose the AI function. The Winees Indoor camera can support the motion detection and would record 15-second videos automatically when detecting a motion. That's really cool, because if you're not at home, this will secure your area and it gives you information with real-time alert. We can set the information push function. When an abnormal action is detected, the electronic device bound to the camera will push the alarm information to us immediately. And we have 1080p HD resolution. The Winees security camera can see really good videos with the 1080p HD display resolution. This is enough for a good camera system. And we have two-way audio. Even if we are not at home, we can still use the camera to have a two-way conversation. The sound pickup range is maximum 3 meters. The speaker 90 decibel, SPL at 10 centimeters. And we have night vision. The camera will not stop working in the dark. It can use and switch to the IR illumination function. to ensure that our monitoring range is safe for 24 hours. And a free cloud service if we like. We can view our room in real time. If the screen is abnormal, a 15-second event recording will be triggered. Of course, we can also choose a micro SD card for it. Or you can see I can make a video using the app. It's really quick and easy. The first step is we install the Idot app or the Linkind app. AiDot or Linkind application, and then register an account. Of course, that's easy because you have to register your email address, then a passcode, and then you will get an email notification of it, and job's done. Then you can dock into the Idot or Linkind app. Step number 2 is we scan the QR. Of course, step number 2 is get a power supply with the wireless cam. Okay. After this, we scan the QR code and add the wireless cam easily. Oh yeah. Then we connect with the Wi-Fi and we can make a good power on the camera. The camera itself is a camera unit on top, and it is a really small future thing. There is an SD card slot, there is an reset slot, and a magnetic mount. Ooh. Then you have a table stand and a wall mount, which is included. We have to take care thoroughly the provided adapter instead of others in case of any damage to the product. We have to look. We keep it out of the reach of children. This product contains small magnets and other small parts, which can cause choking or injury if ingested. And we do not install in wet locations. Outside the premises, outdoors, close to a hot source, near the metal objects and mirrors that cause the radio signal. We do not disassemble or reinstall the camera, otherwise it may cause security risks, and we unplug the power cord before cleaning. We do not clean with any liquids, spray cleaner, or wet cloth. The slot and the openings are used for ventilation. It's not allowed to be blocked or covered there. The Wi-Fi connection is 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The resolution is 1080p. We have an IR night vision mode. The AI detection works with human and pet detection. We have two-way audio. The storage is local or cloud service. And smart integration is Alexa and Google Assistant, as we like or what's going on at home with our devices. That's really cool. It's a nice and cool camera. That's really cool. That's cool. That's really cool. Cool. That's nice. Applicable to different material surface. For example, we can place it on a table. We can place it on metal, on wood, on glass, and walls. A smart security cam is easy to use, really easy. And it's fast. The CPU is a Sigmaster SSC337DE. The sensor is a Galaxy Score GC4653. The Wi-Fi is a Realtek RTL8192FE. The image sensor is a 1/3 color CMOS sensor. A display resolution is HD 1080p, so you can make good videos with that. The viewing angle is a DFOV 135 degrees. The IR night vision 10 meters by IR illuminations 850 nanometers. The white light version is 400 lumen 5000K. The image compression is H.265 and H.264. We have a microphone sensitivity -40 decibel, and the sound pickup range is maximum 3 meters. The speakers are 90 decibel SPL at 10 centimeters. So you can see it's a good cam, which make a good job for you. by using Alexa or Google or of course the two apps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.